Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. Firstly, we need to update your software version. Open QCY application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu here. You need to go to the settings at the middle top, and right here we have firmware update. Tap on it, it checks for updates, and it says that I have the last software version. If you haven't, just install a new one. But if it didn't help you or you haven't new software version, the next step is to reopen your audio player. So let's say you listen to music with Apple Music or Spotify or your browser. You need to remove this application from the cache and then open it again. Also, I recommend to check if you have the last version of this audio player, so go to the App Store or Google Play and check it and update if you haven't. Now, if both of these methods didn't help you, the last one is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, firstly we need to remove these earbuds from your phone. So, or your another device. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or another devices, or connected devices, sorry. And at the device list, you need to click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now, at the back side of your earbuds, under the LED light, we have touch areas, and you need to press 5 times at the both of these touch areas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now this LED light should blinking white 5 times. After that, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and we can finally reconnect these earbuds with a phone. So tap on it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!